Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. I am here today with 5 healthy snacks that you can have. They are quick, they are easy, and they are very cheap as well. These are things that I tend to snack on. I am a big snacker, nothing wrong with that. Also, I am not saying in this video that you are not allowed a chocolate bar, you are not allowed some crisps, because you are, okay? These are just things that when I'm trying to have a healthier day, these are things that I go for. So, the first one is Ryvita with some cream cheese and cucumber on top. So the next snack is some rice cakes with some peanut butter on top. I'll either have peanut butter on these or I will have some protein chocolate. So the one that I have is the protein chocolate from Women's Best. Peaches, blueberries with some Greek yogurt. Generally whatever fruit that I've got that probably looks like it's going to go off first, that is generally just what I have with some Greek yogurt. Especially if I have got a particular sweet tooth, then that is what I will go for. I chopped up some cucumber sticks and carrot sticks. You can get them already pre-made into sticks as well if you want to make that even easier for you. And I had that with some hummus. Sometimes you might not even be craving any particular bad food, but just because you want something to eat, you end up eating a full bag of crisps or a full pack of biscuits, when really you don't want the pack of biscuits. Well, maybe you do, but maybe you're just wanting something to just munch on. So that's why chopping up cucumber, chopping up some carrot with some hummus or any dip that you fancy is what I really like to have. I really like is apple with peanut butter. So I just chop the apple up and then put it with some peanut butter. So I do really like peanut butter. So you can get almond butter, you can get the peanut butter that's the crunchy one. I personally like the smooth one. Is all of my 5 snacks. So let me know if you recreate any of them. If you do, then tag me on my Instagram, which is @joyactive. My favourite snack is probably popcorn when we're watching Netflix in the evening. So I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, then please make sure you give the video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well and turn on the notifications bell icon, then you will never miss an upload from me, and I will see you very soon. Bye!